What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Alright, so today's footwork move we're going to work on is called the Octopus. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for this footwork pattern, we will be jumping to our knees, but don't think like you're going to slam your knees down. You will be catching with your toes first, but it will look like you're landing on your knees. Okay, so for the pattern, you want to think you're doing 4 movements going to the left or 4 movements going to the right. So if I'm going to the left, I want to think left, right, left, right. If I want to go to my right, I want to think right, left, right, left. So if I start over here with my left hand, I'm going to jump from my right foot to my left toe. So again, not slamming my knee into the ground, but it does look like I'm going to my knee. Okay, so I want to catch with my toe first, then land on my knee. So if I go to my left toe first, down. So notice again, I'm not slamming my knee down, catching with my foot first, and then catch my knee. So same thing when I land this foot, right toe, right knee. Okay, so let's try that. So I'm here, going to the left, I'm going left, right. So now I'm going to reverse it. So I'm going to go to the right, and now I'm going to use my left leg. For me, I like to kick out, so I'm going to go kick, kick, and come back. So you don't have to. You could just come around. I just like to make my movement look a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go kick, down. Okay, so let's just try that. So again, the pattern going this way, left, right, left, right. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right. So if you want to go the other way, it's the same thing, just opposite pattern, right? So right, left, right, left. So again, catching with your toes first, going to your right, going right knee, left knee, switch your arms. My right foot's gonna come up, right, left. So same thing coming back over here. I'm here, going to the right. You want to think right, left, right, left. All right, so now let's try to put them together going side to side and also put it together with some counts. So I'm gonna go 2 to the left and just go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then I'm gonna reverse it to the right and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you want to think and 1 and 2. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and other way and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7 to your left and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright, so before we jump into music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, whenever I'm going to my knees for this one, I am catching with my toe first before putting down your knees. That way you save your knees, you don't slam it on the ground, and you're actually coming a little bit lighter on the ground by using your toes. Second thing is, just treat it as a pattern, right? A whole complete octopus is going 4 moves, okay? And you could cut it off. You could go and 1 and then come back the other way. But for this one, just keep the simple pattern going 4 over here and 4 this way. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'm sure you're gonna be props, shoutouts, and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also comment down below what you liked about, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.